Hey, good morning, fourth grade readers. Okay, so today your assignment is to read chapters 2 and 3 in your, whoa, there it is, in your Flat Stanley book, okay? Behind me on the board, I have directions for what I want you to do, and I will also post those in your assignment for Wednesday, okay? So, for chapter 2, I'm going to get out of the way so that you can see this. For chapter 2, I want you to compare and contrast what it's like for Stanley as a 2D person and a 3D person. So, what things would be different? So, what would be the same? What would be... No, not the same. Sorry. What's it like to be 3D? What's it like to be 2D? And what things are the same? Okay, so some things are different, some things are the same. I want you to choose your vocabulary word. Write down the meaning. Use it in a sentence. For chapter 3, I'm asking you, do you think Arthur still feels jealous of Stanley? Why or why not? So this is a compare and contrast reading strategy for comprehension. This is an inference. So the book does not tell you straight up what the answer is. You have to use what you've read, you have to think about it, and you have to infer what might be happening. And then you have to support your answer. And you have to do your vocabulary word, meaning, and sentence. A couple quick notes. I'm also going to talk to you about this in the meeting today. Do not copy somebody else's word. Pick out your own word. If it happens to be the same as someone who's already posted, that's fine. But I got the same word from half the people that posted yesterday. Okay? So come up with your own vocabulary word if you can from those chapters. 2, cops matter. You must capitalize the first word of every sentence. You must punctuate. You must use complete sentences that make sense. Edit your work. It counts, okay? And there was something else. I don't remember. The third thing I want you to start working on is your Flat Stanley. You will lay down on your Flat Stanley paper, have somebody trace you, and then you will draw clothing on your Flat Stanley, which is you. It's flat you. So when you draw in the face and the hair, the nose, whatever, glasses if you wear them, I want the Flat Stanley to look like you. Now that is going to be a big Flat Stanley. And I want you to color it and decorate it and make it look like you and make it wear your favorite outfit. But that's a lot of space to try to color. So one idea I have is that you could, when you're coloring the clothing, so if this is your Flat Stanley, and you're going to put a shirt on your Flat Stanley, that's a lot to color, so you could just do it with patterns. Maybe this is a striped shirt. Okay? And maybe your pants are checkered. That just might make it easier for you. Okay? But I want you to get it traced, put some hair on it, I want you to get it traced and decorated. So start doing it today. Who knows? Maybe by Friday it can be done, because then your flat Stanley is going to go on a journey, and we will talk about that tomorrow. All right, guys, have a great day. Have fun. Enjoy your story. Post your answers on the discussion board. I will look at them and reply, and so will other kids. All right, I'll see you later.